Hi, it's Steve here, and it is Monday, June 24th, 2019. So, last day of Ray's Favorite Recipe group. So, I posted earlier a recipe about stuffed chicken burgers. When I did that recipe, I did not use the manual food processor, and reason why I'm doing the video is because using the manual food processor, when you chop up the vegetables, the zucchini, green peppers, or I'm sorry, green onions, and the carrots, it gets a more fine chopping up. So it looks like they're just like born in the chicken patties. So here I have it here, and instead of like I rinsed all the vegetables off. So instead of just chopping it up, on the cutting board, I'm just gonna throw it all in here. And just let my hand and the blade here just do the chopping. Actually, redo this because the blade went off center. First, just going to put a little bit in, and then I'm going to chop it up. Good. Look how nice and chopped up that is. So much easier to use this to chop up stuff. And this is a very quick, healthy meal that you can make this in like 15 to 20 minutes, including the prep time. It's almost done. Ooh, it's nice and chopped up here. Let the blade do all the work. All right. So the recipe calls for like 1 pound. You can use, hamburger meat. I like using lean ground chicken. Put in like 1 medium zucchini, some carrots, 2 small green onions, half a teaspoon of salt, some cayenne pepper, and what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to put the meat in. And I'm going to use this mix and chop tool. So I'm just going to mix the veggies with the chicken, so that way I don't have to get my hands all dirty. And I'm just going to add the rest of the vegetables in here, and then I'm going to start making the patties. I'm just going to make it on the stove, have it on medium heat, and I have it cook for about 5 or 6 minutes on each side. Alright, I'm going to put some tablespoon of chili powder. Half a teaspoon of salt. And I'm just going to put a little teaspoon of cumin, and I'm going to mix it up so that way all the vegetables and seasonings are mixed together. And then I'll show you at the end, after the burgers are cooked here, I'll show you the end result. So it's nice and even, nice and small chopped up. When I used to make this before without the food processor, I would have chunks of vegetables, still healthy, but presentation wise it looks a lot better when the vegetables are chopped up nice and even and small, where it just looks like there's a little seasoning on the chicken. So I'll show you the end result here after I make the cooking of them.